Welcome to my new YouTube video. In this video, we are going to cover fall nail ideas. As the leaves turn brilliant shades for red, orange, and gold, the slight crispness graces the air. It's time to bite adieu to the bright and dreary nail designs of summers and welcome to the warm and cozy charm of fall nails. Autumn brings with it a clarity of rich and deep colors inspired by nature on canvas and offers a myriad of creative responsibilities of nail enthusiasts. Whether you are a fan of subtle elegance or bold statements, fall nails provide a perfect opportunity to express your style while embracing the essence of the seasons. Colors of season. As the summer sun gives way to the subdued light of fall, so too does the nail colors plenty transform. Shades like deep burgundy, rustic terracotta, mustard yellow, forest green, and cozy brown take center stage. These hues evoke the warmth and comfort of autumn while providing a sophisticated and trendy look, incorporating the colors into your nails designs instantly ties you to the natural beauty of the seasons. Minimalistic elegance. For those who prefer a more understated look, fall nails can still make a statement. Minimalistic nail art is all the rage these seasons. Think muted tones, simple geometric patterns, and delicate assets. The single acid nail adorned with a tiny metallic leaf or a subtle pumpkin can capture the essence of fall without everywhere the sense. These designs are perfect for both casual and professional settings, adding a touch of autumn to your look without going overboard. So, if you are a fan of creativity and adore the charming elements of fall, Westminster nail art might be your calling. From adorable owls sitting on branches to intricate acorn and leaf designs, there is no shortage of playful motifs to choose from. Incorporate these elements into your nail art of a delightful, eye-catching look that captures the spirit of the seasons. So, as the nights grow longer, darker nail shades take the spotlight. Deep purples, navy blues, and rich blacks create a sense of mystery and allure that's perfect for all evenings. Add a touch of glamour and metallic accents to subtle glitter gradients for a dazzling effect. These moody shades add a sense of sophistication and depth to your nails, perfectly mirroring the evolving atmosphere of art. Texture delights. Fall is all about texture for cozy sweaters to woolly scarves, and your nails can follow suit. Experiment with texture nail polishes that add dimensions and interest to your nails. So, matte finish, velvet textures, and even 3D embellishments like tiny heads or studs can create a captivating tactile experience. These texture designs add a unique twist to your fall nail repertoire. Hello and welcome my YouTube channels. In this video, we are going to elaborate all favorite nails which are trending in this 2023. So, umber nails continue to be a hit this fall. Transitions from light to dark shades within the same color family to create a seamless gradient effects that mimic the changing hues of autumn leaves. You can adopt a subtle umber or go for a bolder contrast. The choice is yours. This technique allows of endless creativity, making each set of umber nails a personalized masterpiece. So, seasonal French tips. The classic French manicure gets a fall makeover with seasonal twist instead of the traditional white tips. Consider using autumnal colors like copper, gold, or burnt orange. There's warm tone tips offer a fresh take to a timeless look, infusing a touch of all charm into a beloved style. Moody florals. While florals are often associated with spring, they can remind for fall as well. Dark moody floral designs against a deep background create a captivating contrast that's both romantic and enigmats. These flowers echo the final blooms of the seasons, capturing the melancholic beauty of falls. As you are going to uh, as the night grow longer, darker nail shades take the spotlight. Deep purples, navy blues, and rich blacks create a sense of misery and allure that's perfect for all evenings. Add a touch of glamour and metallic acids or subtle glitters gradient for a dazzling effect. These moody shades add a sense of sophistication and depth to your nails, perfectly mirroring the evolving atmosphere of art. So, textures delights. Fall is all about textures, from cozy sweaters to velvety scarves, and your nails can follow suit. Experiments with textures, nail polishes that add dimensions and interest to your nails, matte finish, velvet textures, and even 3D embellishment like tiny head beds or studs can create a captivating textile experience. These textures, designs, and add a unique twist to your fallness. Nails continue to up hit of this fall transitions from light to dark shades within the same color family to create a seamless gradient effect. The mimic changing hues of the autumn's leaves. You can opt for a subtle umber or go for bolder contrast. The choice is yours. This technique allows for endless creativity, making each set of umber nails a personalized masterpiece. So the classic French manicure gets a fall manicure with seasonal twist. Instead of the traditional white tips, consider using autumnal colors like copper, gold, or burnt orange. These warm tuned tips offers a fresh take to timeless look, infusing a touch of all charm into a beloved style. While flowers are often associated with spring, they can remind for as well as dark, moody floral designs against a deep background create a captivating contrast that's both romantic and engagement. These floral echo